Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the HTTP error code 503 service unavailable. So first is you just need to try again later because once you encounter that error, that is just a temporary error. So try again later or wait for a while. But if that doesn't fix your issue while you are on your browser, let me just quickly open it. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the girl-like symbol. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to select privacy and security. You'll find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on that. You have two options on how you can delete it. Go to advanced. Time range, change that to all time. You have to check everything except for the passwords and the autofill form data. Finally, click on delete data. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services for the next method. Click on services under the best match. Now scroll down to the W section and you will find the WLAN autoconfig service. Make a right click, select properties, startup type, change that to automatic. Service status, if this is not yet running, click on start. If it is already running, click on stop. Click on Start to restart the service. Click on Apply and click on OK. Scroll down to the W1. Make a right click. Select Properties. Startup type. Make sure that it's automatic. Service status. If this is not yet running, click on Start. If this is already running, click on Stop. Click on Start to restart the service. Click on Apply and click on OK and close this window. You might just need to restart your Windows afterwards. Next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Now type in this block window ipconfig space // DNS. Hit Enter. Next command, NATSH space winsock space reset, hit enter, then type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And afterwards, you just need to open your browser. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.